Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Renique, and if it's your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. So guys, today I'm gonna be making some stew peas. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've had stew peas, so I decided that I'm gonna make some today. And here I have a few things that I'm gonna be using to make this. I have some pig's tail here. I had it soaking since morning. I soak it in 3 different water. I have some chicken foot here that I've already washed with the pig's tail. Yeah, you know we have to wash with stuff. We have to prep nicely. I have some beans here that I add some water to it to wash it. It wasn't soaking because I'm gonna pressure this anyway, so there's no need for me to soak it. I have a whole coconut here that I'm gonna be using because I need the milk to add to my stew peas. There's no stew peas without coconut milk. Yeah, I have 1 head of garlic. I'm gonna be using some to boil with the peas and the meat. So now I'm just gonna add some water to the pig's tail so it can get boiling. Yep, that's about that. So in goes the water, and I'm gonna be boiling this 3 times. Let's add some more to cover it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let this come to a boil, then I'm gonna change it. As I said, I'm gonna do it for 3 times. So yeah guys, I'm not gonna show you when I'm changing it because it's gonna be a little hectic and I want to get this video done as soon as possible. So when we start putting everything in the pressure cooker, then me I go come back and show you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. It's about that time again that we're gonna start on this stew peas. So I've already stripped some garlic, 6 cloves of garlic, and I've already washed them, 3 sprigs of thyme. So now I'm just gonna be adding some water to this. I am gonna let the peas come to a boil before I add the meat. I'm just gonna let it come to a boil. I'm gonna be adding some pimento seeds. I'm just gonna be adding a few, about that amount of pimento seeds, and I'm just gonna let this come to a boil because once the water is hot, the peas is gonna come on the top of the water, and then I'm gonna add some more water to it. My pig's tail is called off. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see it. Yeah, so see you back in maybe. Yeah guys, welcome back. Look at that. Y'all don't worry about that. I'm just gonna add some water to this now. Enough to cook the peas, and to cook this meat I'm going back in with my pigtails. No, I'm just gonna let that come to a boil again, and then I'm just gonna add the chicken foot and then cover and proceed to pressure. Then I come back guys and show. So guys, I'm now gonna add my powdered seasoning to this. I have 2 tablespoons of Maggi all-purpose season and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Yeah, me know I'm not gonna say oh me I use so much garlic, but I love garlic in my food. And I'm just gonna stir this up. And I'm just gonna let this simmer, and when it comes down I'm gonna be adding the spinners to this. I need my flour now. This is the dough that I'm gonna add to the pot. to this. So this is the dough. It's a little sticky, and that's how I want it. So I'm just gonna knead them, put them in the pot, and then I've added the flour now. These are what it looks like. So the meat is cooked and everything. I'm just gonna wait for the dumplings to cook, and this go down somewhat more. And so guys, my stew peas is all done cooking, and this is what it looks like. It looks so delicious, and I know we're gonna enjoy having this. So this is what it is. Yes, you guys, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and your family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you.